Hey guys, hi, how is everyone? Happy Tuesday. This is Melissa Thorsby. I am back in my kitchen and I am making some delicious low-carb buns that my family and I use for pretty much everything now. We use them for hot dog buns, hamburger buns, sandwiches. We love them. It's the least eggy bread that we've found, and it's really delicious, and I'm gonna make it here for you guys today. Say hi when you pop on. Let me know where you're watching from, and I'll just get started, okay? So first I have my ovens preheated at 350 degrees, or it's preheating. And I'm gonna show you the ingredients and then just get it mixed up. Actually, I'm gonna get my puppies a treat because they won't leave me alone. There you go. There they go. Okay, so let's get started. So I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. I'm gonna move my camera down because it's not blowing up. And we're gonna get started. Like I said, I make these for hamburger buns, hot dog buns, sandwiches. Tonight we're having cracked chicken. It's as good as it sounds. And I'm gonna make it for that. So first I'm gonna start with the dry ingredients. I'm gonna get down a bowl here. So some of these ingredients might sound strange if you're not a low carb cooker. But once you obtain them, it's like you'll have them for a while. So don't panic if you don't have these. Go on Amazon, that's where I get most of these, and just start obtaining some of these ingredients. One of them is psyllium husk. That's probably what makes this bread so good, is it takes away that eggy flavor. So I'm gonna get started with this. So psyllium husk, this bowl's got a little water in it. I've got 5 tablespoons of psyllium husk. Anyone else have dogs? These two are crazy. They lay down until I start cooking, and then they're in the kitchen. I'm feeding them dried liver snaps. Okay, 5 tablespoons of psyllium husk, 1 1/4 cups of almond flour. There goes my almond flour. Okay, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I don't think you need any more. And 1 teaspoon salt. This is the dry ingredients. That's it, okay? Super, super simple. I use pink Himalayan salt. You can use whatever salt you like. That's my favorite. Shh. Shh. Okay, so now to the wet ingredients. This is the dry ingredients. I'm gonna mix these up. Okay, just get it mixed up. The wet ingredients, so now I'm gonna take, this is PJ, y'all. She is nuts. She's 12 years old, knows she can get whatever she wants. I'm gonna heat up 1 cup of water, which I have here. And while that's heating up, I'm gonna get the rest of the ingredients going. So I have eggs here. I use natural eggs. So I'm gonna get the yolk out and take the egg whites. We'll use the yolk later to put on the top of the buns in order to have the sesame seed stick. There goes the yolk. So, and I actually keep my yolks and I make mayo with it. That's just me. You don't have to though. So we're gonna need 3 of those. Oh, Miss thing. No. Hey, learn your manners. And we have a puppy. She's 14 weeks old and she thinks food is all hers. Okay, 2. PJ. And then this is the 3rd one. Whoops, I lost part of the yolk. That's okay, I'll get it. See, I am not perfect at this, and it doesn't have to be perfect. They still come out delicious. There's a little yolk in there, not a big deal. Really, it's not. Okay, my water's done. Grabbing the egg whites. So we have egg whites, 3 egg whites in here. And then I'm gonna put, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And my cup of water. That's done. Okay, I'm gonna mix this together. Hand mixer, if you have one, you can always use a blender. This is to get them nice and fluffy. So I'm gonna show you what they come out looking like. This is a bun. Look at that, look how spongy it is. It's delicious, and we cut these, and these are perfect for hamburger buns. You can form them on a cookie sheet. You don't need any sort of special thing. I just happen to have this. It's like low profile. And it makes the perfect buns. And then I also see these little tins. This These make perfect hot dog buns. You put a little dough in there, let it rise, slice it, and you have the perfect keto bun for hot dogs. I know hot dogs are processed, but when you're camping, sometimes that's what you do. Okay, this was just to get this nice and fluffy, so that's what I've done. And I'm gonna add my dry ingredients now. Okay, add all this in here. Oh, I didn't add the egg whites. Oh, I did, that's a yolk. Oh my gosh, you guys, I need more ketones. So we're gonna mix this up. Mix this up. Use my hand, a little more. Use my hand mixer again. I don't want to over mix it. Once I put the dough in there, or I'm sorry, the dry ingredients in there, it should feel like Play-Doh. Missy, you get down. I don't know if you guys can see her little ears, but this is pretty much, the kids are at school, but these kids are with me all day long. So I'm going to show you what it's like here. In a minute, I'm going to roll this out. And this is really super simple. It's not like I have to roll anything. I'm just going to put this on there. See? It's like a cookie dough. I hope you can see that on Facebook, if not here. So, like a Play-Doh. And I'm just gonna divide this up and put it in my trays and bake it at 350 degrees, probably about for 50 to 55 minutes, okay? It takes a little while, but they should come out spongy, but cooked with milk. PJ, shush, nobody wants to hear you. You're not cooking. All right, so I'm gonna divide this up. I just cut it up, put the ones in there, and like I said, I'll use the egg yolk, just kind of spread on the top a little bit to put my sesame seeds on. You don't have to put sesame seeds, you put everything with bagel slicing, you could leave it alone. This one doesn't have anything. So this is how much I'll put in this little pan so you can see. I divide this up in about 8, if you can see that. And then I'm gonna put the sesame seeds on top, bake it about 350 for 55 minutes, shush, shush. And then perfect. I have buns now for hamburgers for later this week, for our cracked chicken that we're gonna be making today, which is another great recipe I can make for you guys on another date, but it's super simple. It's in the crock pot behind me. And that's it. This is super simple and the best keto low carb bread I have ever had. It doesn't taste eggy like the egg loaves. Kind of tastes like you're eating wheat bread. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna get this in the oven. If you have any questions, let me know, post them below. I appreciate you all for watching and have a great Tuesday, guys. Oh, and if you want more of these recipes, I have a keto community over on Facebook, totally free. I share recipes like this all day long, all week long. If you wanna join, let me know and I'll get you over there. Hey Cindy, hey Jessica. Thanks guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And I can post the recipe below so you guys have it for future reference. But if you do try it, let me know. Let me know if you like it. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon.